I'm going to show you how you can become a Wolt Partner Courier. Now, if you want to become a Wolt Partner Courier, you'll need to apply. You can apply on career.wolt.com/en/apply, and you'll have to fill out all of these forms here. You'll have to apply, verify your account, you'll have to do an introduction, you'll have to download the app, you'll need to sign a contract, and then you'll get your gear. If you don't want to find the actual one here, you can also just type in Wolt Partner and then apply like this. We'll partner apply, and then you can also apply from here, right, from any one of these websites here. If you want to become a Wolt career partner as well, you'll have to choose your location as well, because Wolt operates in different countries as well. So first off, you'll have to choose your location here as well. So for example, if you are in Poland, for example, you'll have to choose Poland, and then you'll have to become a Wolt partner carrier here just by tapping on sign up now. And then on sign up now, you'll be put into the same website here, Wolt partner. You'll have to apply, enter in all of your name, verify, introduce yourself, download the app, contract, and then get your gear to get it started.